What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've been enjoying online shopping. So I wanted to do a haul video for you guys today. I've been getting in, as you guys can see, this is the boxes condensed down. I've been getting in so many boxes of stuff. All my orders are coming in at the same time. I thought I would sit down and do a haul video for you guys and just show you guys all of the classroom supplies I've been getting. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the stuff that actually wasn't bought online, and I did a little bit of a haul on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following it, you should definitely check it out. I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up a couple things. The first thing I picked up was this photo holder set. So it's a little colorful set that you put photos in, or you can put other stuff in. I've seen so many people utilize this for so many different things on Instagram, task cards and stuff like that, and this was half off, so this was only $12. So I picked up one of these because this was the only one they had left. To go along with that, I also picked up these small photo holders. These were $5 each and you got 6 with them. So I ended up getting 4 of these just so I could have them. The next thing I got at Hobby Lobby, I love this so much. This was half off, I believe. It's this little rainbow. I think this is so adorable. I didn't want to do the traditional primary colors. I really like the off colors, like the different pastels or neon colors. So I picked up that. I want to put that probably in like my reading area, as well as this pillow. It says "You are my sunshine," and I think this is adorable. This was on sale. I can't remember how much it was. If I can find the receipt, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I picked this up for my reading corner as well. I saw this. I'm not 100% sure where I'll put this yet, but I think this is so cute. It says "Today is my day," and it's a little rainbow and it's a message board. It's magnetic, but you can also write on this with dry erase markers. So I'm not sure where this will end up going, but I thought this was so cute to put little messages on or little reminders. Like I said, I got 4 of these, so there's 2 more of those. So I have already did my little DIY project on these, but I picked up these cardboard letters and I painted them. I have them spelled out to say read on them, so of course these are going to go in my reading corner as well. But I got all the letters to spell read, and then I came home and I painted them because I got a ton of paint. So yeah, that was like one of my little projects I've already worked on. The last 2 things I got from Hobby Lobby, I got this "Hello I'm" sign, and it's a little dry erase board. I want to do maybe like little motivational or inspirational things on this, so I can do "Hello I am loved," "Hello I am intelligent," "Hello I am inspirational," "Hello I am whatever" on it. So I picked that up. This was 50% or 60% off, I believe, but I'm very, very excited about this. I don't know again where this will go, but I thought this was super cute. And the last thing I picked up, I will put a picture on the screen of what I'm going to do with this, but this is just a framed painted canvas with the wood on the outside, and then the canvas is white. I really want to do the United States maps that I've seen on Instagram, like the colorful maps, but if I come up with something else, I'll end up changing that. That's why I haven't painted it yet. If you guys have any ideas of what I can paint on this, then let me know in the comments. But as of right now, I'm really in love with the United States maps. Alright, so now for a book haul, because I've bought so many books, so I'm going to just run through them super quick. I'm not going to explain anything about them. I'm just going to run you through the books really fast. So these books are from Scholastic. I got the set of the Junie B. Jones books. These are 18 through 25, so I got First Grader at Last, Jingle Bells, Batman Smells, Boo and I Mean It, Shipwrecked, Aloha Ha, Dumb Bunny, One Man Band, Cheater Pants, Toothless Wonder, and Boss at Lunch. And I think I'm gonna complete that series, so this is just the first stack of them that I've bought so far. The next ones I got from Scholastic were Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. I got the Magic Finger, Lawn Boy Returns, and then I got a set of the Black Lagoon Adventures books. And then the last chapter book I got from them was The Gold Cadillac. So now moving on to the picture books I picked up from Scholastic. I let my cousins go through these, and this was their favorite one. So this is Hair Love. I got The Recess Queen, Ruby Finds a Worry. I got a set of the Amelia Bedelia beginning reading books. Then I got this book. This was a little hit. This was a hit with one of my cousins too. Next one I got was something I think is cute because I have a pug. So I picked up Pig the Taurus. I want to get the rest of these because they have so many cute ones, but this is the first one I've gotten so far. The next one I got is I'm Happy Sad Today. I've seen this on Instagram and I was so excited to get this one. This is another one I've seen on Instagram. This is The Dot. This was my favorite book growing up, so I was super excited when I saw it on Scholastic. This is A Bad Case of Stripes. This is the book I would always check out of the library, and I was just in love with it. I don't know, it was so cute to me, so colorful. I got that just as a little nostalgic moment. I've seen a lot of activities for this one on Instagram, so I picked it up. It's The Invisible Boy. This book I've wanted, it's on my Amazon wish list, so I'm so excited about it. This is spaghetti in this is spaghetti in a hot dog bun. These are another two I've seen people rave over, so I got them in a set. This is The Bad Seed and The Good Egg, A Chair for My Mother, The Pout Pout Fish. This I'm really excited for St. Patrick's Day, How to Catch a Leprechaun. This is The Night Before Valentine's Day. These all came in a set. And then Chicken Pug, The Love Pug. Again, I have pugs, so I'm so excited about those. And then lastly in that set, Amelia Bedelia, First Valentine's Day. And I also ended up picking up that one as well from Book Outlet. I didn't realize that this one was in that set, so I do have two of these. I got this one from Book Outlet. I actually like the quality of Book Outlet's books a little bit better, and they're kind of similar price to Scholastic. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys the books I got from Book Outlet. Of course, I got this one. I did a little haul of these on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you definitely have seen that. So from Book Outlet, they're basically books that they're overflow books for stores. Like they have too many of them. So they get sent to this place, Book Outlet, and then they get marked down. So these were super cheap books and I'm very, very excited about them. So I got Beast of Olympus, Steeds of the God. I got Jada Jones Rockstar. This one I'm so excited about. I got The Epic Fell of Arturo Zamora. This one I got because I have seen the movie and have not read the book, so I really wanted to read it. This is Racing in the Rain. This one I read in one day, one sitting. I was so into this book. This is Stella Diaz Has Something to Say. Such a good book. If you guys have not checked it out, definitely read it. It's amazing. This is Beyond the Bright Sea. I started this one but haven't gotten the time to read all of it yet. So this is Shouting at the Rain. This is See You in the Cosmos, and the last chapter book I got is Inside Out and Back Again. I've heard so many good things about this, so that is next on my list. Alright guys, moving on to picture books I got from Book Outlet. I got The True Story of the Three Little Pigs. I remember doing so many activities with this growing up, so I'm very, very excited about it. This is Giraffes Can't Dance. This is another one I saw on Instagram that I'm super, super excited about. I'm so glad that I found it for a good price because it's really expensive on Amazon. I got Blue Sky, White Stars. This book is so amazingly cute. It is All Are Welcome. Every little detail about this book is just absolutely amazing. If you guys haven't seen this, definitely go look it up. I got Americans, When Pencil Met Eraser. I've already taken the little sleeves off the book, so if they look a little different, that's why. I got Halloween Night, and then I got a bunch of the Night Before books, and then the 12 Days Of. So I got The 100th Day of School. This is a random one. Froggy's Halloween, The Night Before Mother's Day, The 12 Days of Thanksgiving, The 12 Days of Halloween, The Night Before Thanksgiving, The Night Before Father's Day, The Night Before Christmas, and then The Night Before Halloween. I got I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Pie. I used to love these books growing up. This was another Instagram recommended one, and it is so, so good. It is The Name Jar. I got Thank You, Mr. Fokker. This one I think is so cute. This is Even Superheroes Have Bad Days, and this is another cool one. Everything in this is just perfect. I got The Crayon Box That Talked, and then the last two are Brick by Brick. This is like how they actually made the White House. I think this is such a great book. And then lastly, this is another one of my favorites now. This is I Will Be Fierce. I did get a handful of books off of Thriftbooks, so I'm going to show you guys those. I got The Day It Rained Hard, The Diary of a Worm, Dear Miss LaRue, Letters from Obedience School, and then lastly I got the chapter book Wonder. But yeah, so that is all of the books I got. I'm going to show you guys really quickly all the stuff I ordered from Lakeshore. I got a ton of stuff, which is why I'm having to put it somewhere because I just got way too much stuff to keep in my house at this point. So I'm going to run you guys through that stuff really quickly. Alright, so I went ahead and ordered pretty much all the stuff I wanted off of Lakeshore so far for like organization and things like that. So I ordered a bunch of the caddies. So I got them in each color. I got them in the neon set. This is not the original primary color set. I will link these down below. This is the neon set. I like these so much more. I want to have all the tables color coordinated in my class. I also got all of the colored trays for the neon set. I want to have some of them as a turn-in tray, but I also want to have them so I can put like activities inside of them for the tables. This is where these boxes get full. I ordered all of the little containers for my classroom library. So I got all the colors. I got 6 of them in each of the colors because I also want to use them outside the library. I'm thinking about doing my library in alphabetical order. That is my plan so far. I know a lot of people do them by levels, but I think for me, I'm just going to go ahead and do the alphabetical order. But if you guys have ideas for ways to organize your classroom library, let me know. I got 6 in blue, 6 in the green. I got the yellow, the pink, and then there's so many. I got coral and purple. Help. Like I said, I got the rest of those trays in that color. And then I also got the yellow caddy, and then some more of the book bends are in this box, but I honestly can't even get to it. There's so many boxes. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that concludes everything that I got recently for my classroom. I'm sweating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, let me a comment down below and let me know some things that I should buy for my classroom. So if you guys have any essentials that you guys use in your classroom, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any tips for me for student teaching, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys haven't followed my teacher Instagram, I'll link it down below for you guys. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe and I will bring you guys a new video. I plan on doing hauls like this when I get a lot of stuff at once, but I will be opening packages that I get randomly and vlogs that I'm going to be posting soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.